Welcome to Sri Krishna Rudra Medical Academy, Vijayawada. Now, so in this one, we are going to discuss how to get a minimum of 100 marks. Minimum. So I am saying that there is a minimum of 100 marks. How to score a minimum of 100 marks in NEET physics? Only physics. Now. So here, first we need to select important and less time consuming chapters. So here we need to select less timing consuming chapters first. Now, first one. So what are the chapters? What are the different chapters that consumes less time? So first we need to discuss about those chapters. First we need to prioritize those chapters first. So what are the first priority? Less timing consuming chapters and important chapters you have to select. You have to revise thoroughly first these chapters. So from these chapters, you may get a minimum of 25 questions. You may get minimum of 25 questions. That means 100 marks you can score easily. First, you have to prioritize these chapters. So what are the different chapters? What are those chapters? So to get 100 marks, how many questions required? Minimum 25 questions required. Now, here time is also one factor for us. So that first we need to prioritize these chapters first. After that, go through the remaining chapters. First priority you have to give these chapters only. And mano first priority chapters give. So these chapters first priority is and takku time lo. So present on takku time lo. So ekku chapters cover cheyadaniki use avutundi. So first round lo ee chapters complete cheyandi. Next round lo remaining chapters kela. So now what are the different chapters? So that is those are important and less time consuming chapters. Now, so first one, go through the class 12 chapters. First we are going to discuss about class 12 chapters. Now, first one. So first and priority you have to give for electromagnetic waves. You have to give first priority for electromagnetic waves because so from this electromagnetic waves, one question will you may get one question. You'll get one question and less time consuming also. So it may take a maximum of 1 hour or 2 hours only. Maximum of 2 hours. So within 2 hours you can get one question. So this is purely formula based only. The chapter is purely formula based. So direct question they are asking. They are asking direct question from this chapter. So first priority you have to give for electromagnetic waves. Next one. Next chapter, dual nature. Dual nature. From this one, only directly formula based question they are asking. Formula based question they are asking from this chapter. So how many questions you will get from this chapter? One question you will get. That means 4 marks. Next one. Atoms. So atoms also purely formula based. From this one also you may get one question. You will get minimum of one question. Next chapter, nuclei. From this chapter, you will get one question. So this is also purely formula based, and you have to revise the NCERT theory bits also. NCERT theory bits also you have to revise for this one. Next, semiconductor devices. Semiconductor devices. From the semiconductor devices, minimum of 2 questions, maximum of 3 questions, and 4 questions also they are asking. So at least you may get minimum of 2 questions. So generally we are getting 3 questions. We are getting 3 questions from this chapter from semiconductor devices. From semiconductor devices, minimum of 3 questions we are getting. So and least case we are getting minimum of 2 questions. So maximum of 4 questions. So according to my analysis, generally they are giving 3 questions at least. So you have to prioritize this one also. Next one, AC circuits. AC circuits is purely formula based. So if you know the concept, then you can answer the questions from this chapter easily. So how many questions they are asking from this chapter? One question they are asking. So this is a minimum number I am saying. Next one. So magnetism and matter. Magnetism and matter is also purely theoretical concept. So we are getting one question from this one. We are getting at least one question from this chapter. Next, wave optics. So wave optics, from this one, they are asking first priority Young's double slit. So we are getting 2 questions from this wave optics topic. So that is for intensity or polarization, one topic, 1 question from that one, remaining question from Young's double slit only. So here 2 questions we are getting from wave optics topic. So these are the least time consuming chapters and important chapters in class 12 or second year. Now go through the class 11 or first year topics. Now first chapter, first one, mechanical properties of solids. Mechanical properties of solids. This is also purely numerical based. Numerical based means formula based only. If you know the formulas, then you can answer the questions from this mechanical properties of solids easily. So how many questions we are getting? Minimum of 1 question we are getting. Next, gravitation. Gravitation, it may take some time. That means some time consuming also there, but a very important chapter. And they are asking direct questions from this chapter also. So we are getting 2 questions from this chapter. We are getting 2 questions from a gravitation chapter. Next one. Next priority chapter, surface tension. Next priority chapter is surface tension. Surface tension, they are asking direct question from the surface tension. That is minimum of 1 question we are getting. Minimum of 1 question from surface tension we are getting. Next chapter is kinetic theory of gases, KTG. Kinetic theory of gases, we are getting 1 question. So this is also less time consuming chapter. This is also less time consuming. This one also less time consuming. Next one. Transmission of heat or heat transfer. Just we have to concentrate on first heat transfer. Convection or convection, radiation also there. Na? So that chapter we have to concentrate. That is very less time consuming, and we are getting 1 question from that one. Next one. SHM, simple harmonic motion. So this may be equation part. This contains equation part majority cases. So that it may take some time compared to the remaining chapters. But they are asking direct question from this one. How many questions they are asking? Minimum of 2 questions. Minimum of 2 questions they are asking. So next one, next topic, sound waves. From the sound waves, how many questions they are asking? Minimum of 2 questions. Minimum of 2 questions they are asking. This is also equation based. This one and this one are equation based. That means we need to learn equations, how to write equations, how to apply different formulas, how to write different equations you need to learn. So these 2 may be time consuming to revise that one. But if you revise once, then you can answer 4 questions from this one. So minimum of 4, maximum of 6 they are asking. Next one, units and measurements. Units and measurements. From this one, we are asking 2 questions. One is from instruments like screw gauge, vernier calipers. Screw gauge, vernier calipers instruments are there. From that one, they are asking 1 question. And general units and dimensions, they are asking 1 question. They are asking 1 question from units and measurements, and other question from screw gauge and vernier calipers, instrumental based question. 2 questions they are asking from units and measurements. Next one, vectors. Vectors also they are asking 1 question from vectors, so that you have to prioritize vectors also. So all these are less time consuming except sound waves and SHM. This is belongs to class 11 topics. Now, so here from this one, from each chapter you are getting at least a minimum of 1 question. Now, so maximum of 2 questions from each and every chapter. Minimum of 1 question, maximum of 2 questions you may get. Now, so we are going to discuss how many hours it will take for each chapter to revise that one. So to revise these chapters, first you have to prioritize formulas in each and every chapter. First revise cheyalsini enti formulas revise cheyandi. Formulas chodukunda rayandi. So prati chapter lonu formulas vaste 50% questions answer cheseyochu. So formula based questions 20-25 questions untai direct ga. So if you know the formula, then you can answer this question directly. So formula teliste first direct ga answer cheyochu. Alanti questions ekku untai. Next. So how much time it will take for each chapter? First one, electromagnetic waves. For electromagnetic wave, how much time it will take? Maximum of 2 hours. From 2 hours, you can write one question. So maximum of 2 hours. Next one. Dual nature. Dual nature equation part is there, so that you have to practice problems, so that it may take 4 hours time. Next one. Atoms. It will also take a maximum of 4 hours. Maximum of 4 hours. Next, nuclei. So it will take 4 hours time to complete that one. Formulas and to practice the problems. Next one. Semiconductor device. This is a somewhat lengthy chapter, so that it may take 6 hours time to revise that one completely. Completely revise cheyadaniki 6 hours time తీసుకోవచ్చు. So semiconductor device means including digital electronics, gates. Semiconductor device lone gates కూడా include అవుతాయి. Next, AC circuit. This is a purely equation based that may take 4 hours to revise. Next one, magnetism matter. So this is purely theoretical based, so that it may take 2 hours to revise. Next, wave optics. So wave optics, so it may take 4 hours to revise. Next, coming to the class 11 topics. Mechanical properties, it may take 2 hours. Gravitation, it may take 4 hours. Surface tension, it may take 2 hours. Transmission of heat, that is convection or radiation, it may take 2 hours. SHM, simple harmonic motion, it may take 6 hours. And sound waves, it may take 6 hours, because these two chapters are lengthy, somewhat lengthy compared to the remaining. Next, kinetic theory of gases, 2 hours. Next, units and measurements, it may take 2 to 3 hours. Vectors, it may take only 2 hours only. So first prioritize these chapters. So solids, surface tension, transmission of heat, KTZ, units and measurements, vectors. After that, go through the gravitation, SHM and waves. So from these chapters, you may get a minimum of 23 to 28 questions. So from these chapters, you may get a minimum of 23 to maximum of 28 questions. So 28 to 30 also you may get, because of 50 questions are there. So that you have to prioritize these chapters first. You have to prioritize these chapters first. After that, go through the remaining. First, we complete cheyandi. If we complete chesin tarvata remaining chapters ku vellanడి. So that is the best method to get a minimum of 100 marks in physics. So first we complete cheyandi. If we complete chesi next chapter move aithe, so minimum 100 marks తెచ్చుకోవడం కష్టమేం కాదు. సో ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవాలి, కరెక్ట్ గా ప్లాన్ చేసుకుని, అంటే ఒక చాప్టర్ చదివితే సో మొత్తం అన్ని టాపిక్లు కంప్లీట్ చేసేలా చూడాలి. సో అంతేగాని ఆ చాప్టర్ లో హాఫ్, రిమైనింగ్ చాప్టర్ లో హాఫ్ చదవాలి. సో ఒక చాప్టర్ తీసుకుంటే మొత్తం ఆ టాపిక్ అంతా, అంటే అందులో ఉన్న ఫార్ములాస్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి, థియరిటికల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. థియరిటికల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓన్లీ, కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా రావాలి. ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ ఈ చాప్టర్స్ అన్ని ఎలా చదవాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని చదవాల్సిందే. ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని ఒక చోట రాసుకుని ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. ఫార్ములాస్ కంప్లీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత సో కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓరియంటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కోసం కాన్సెప్ట్ ఐడియా ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, so for these chapters we are providing a free Android application. We are providing free Android application. So Android application nothing but app, free Android application or free app we are providing that contains video lectures, assignments, test series weekly. So present we are going to provide a weekly test. So after that, from first onwards, next month first onwards, we are going to provide grand test also. So we are providing a weekly grand test and weekly part test now. After some time, that means from first of the next month, we are providing a grand test 10 at least. We are going to provide 10 test papers, grand test on complete syllabus. So here it contains video lectures, assignment, test series, part test and full test with paper explanation, video explanation also there for physics and chemistry. Next, and so many more are there. So all these are contained in only one Android app. So we can get this Android app completely free of cost. We are providing this Android app free of cost only. So if you registered, then we are going to provide. Now, so if you want app, then contact these numbers. Please contact this number or this number. If you want app, free app, then contact this app, these numbers. Now, one more thing is, just we are providing video lectures. We are providing video lectures for each and every topic in our YouTube channel. So you can search videos by typing Sri Krishna Rudra Vijayawada in Google. Then you will get a video lectures list. So go through our channel and go through the each and every topic video lecture. So that contains so explanation with examples. Each video contains so explanation of formulas. After that examples also there. So to revise briefly, those videos are very useful to you. Then go through that one. So for that one, what you have to do? So just type Sri Krishna Rudra Vijayawada. Then you will get videos. Go through that channel. Then each and every playlist also there for physics and chemistry separately. Go through that one. Okay. Okay, thank you. Just I will update in next video. So in each chapter, what is the first priority topic? So here I prioritize lessons only or chapters only. Next one, in next video, so I am going to provide in each chapter what is the first priority topic. That means that is based on last 10-year analysis. So last 10-year analysis basis kuni ee lesson lo first priority deniki ivvali, ఏ టాపిక్ ఇవ్వాలి ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ అంటే ఎక్కువ సార్లు అడిగింది ఏంటి ఆ లెసన్ నుంచి. సో ఆ డిస్కషన్ అనేది నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ఆ డిస్కషన్ వస్తుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ అప్డేట్ యువర్ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ go through our channel. Now, so here in next video, each and every chapter priority topics we are going to update priority topics in each and every chapter. ప్రతి చాప్టర్ లోను priority topic అప్డేట్ చేస్తాం. సో అంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ దేనికి ఇవ్వాలి ప్రతి చాప్టర్ లో, సో రివైజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు సో అది అప్డేట్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ రిమైనింగ్ చాప్టర్స్ లో కూడా, అంటే ఈ ఇంపార్టెంట్ చాప్టర్స్ కాకుండా సో రిమైనింగ్ చాప్టర్స్ లో కూడా అప్డేట్ చేస్తాం. అంటే ప్రతి చాప్టర్ నుంచి సో ఏ ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ప్రయారిటీ ఇవ్వాలి, మనం ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ చదవాల్సిన టాపిక్ ఏంటి, సో అది ప్రయారిటీ చేస్తాం. సో యూ విల్ గెట్ దట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో.